Here we go. Let me see you a little bit. Hi. Hi. How are you, little tinker? Take him back. Come here, you little scoobers. You're one of them, aren't ya? Aren't you one of them? Huh? Yeah, look at that head. Let's see that chest, little buddy. Let me see that chest. Let's see that pretty chest. There we go. I can see the spots. Oh, hi. Hi, little buddy. How are you? Huh? How are you? Huh? You a good boy? Huh? Say hi. Yeah, hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Yes, you are a very pretty boy. Yes. Let's see that butt. I think you got little zebra stripes back there. And on your pants there, if I can get a good shot. There we go. Are you a pretty boy? Yeah, pretty boy. Okay. Where's your brother? Give me your brother. There he is over there. I see him. Oh, you're not him. Let me see it. Aha, here he is. Come here, brother. There you go. All right. You're the boy. Here we go. Yeah. You're a lot like your brother, except you got a little yellow going on you. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi. Whoa, where you going, kiddo? Hello. You gotta get away from the sun now because I got it on. Oh, oh. All right, you. Come here, silly. Oh. Hey, little buddy, where'd you go?
Sure.
Let's see the rest over here. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Come here. Come here, Daddy. He's like behind the TV. Hi, sweetie. Are you a girl? You're usually a girl. I was just taking pictures. Nope, here's one. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hello, sweetie. Hi. You want to say hi? Alright, you want to come over here and say hi? Hi. I'll come over and say hi. You say hi. Oh, there's my little buddy. Hi. There's little buddy. Come here. Come here. I just wanted you to say hi. Come here. Mr. Flies About. Yeah, I'm going to have to clip your wings. Yes, I'm going to have to clip your wings. Yes, I am. Yeah, clipping your wings. I'll let you fly a little bit before I do it. I'm going to let you fly a little bit before I do it. Okay? Alright, little buddy? Yeah. Alright. Those are the boys. Yeah, I think Snowflake here is going to be a girl too. Snowflake. Huh? You going to be a girl? Pretty girl. Yeah. Show off. You like your picture taken, don't you, hussy?
Yeah.
You gonna fall asleep right there? Go on, go back down there. You got little babies. See.
Don't want to go.
Alright, you stay there, Snow. Yeah, stay there. Hello, little one. Hi. Teeny tiny. Little itty bitty. Hi, tiny guys. Hello, tiny guys.
Get beeper.
I barely got Beeper. Beeper really did it. Yeah, he didn't come out for his shot. He's content on staring out the window. Hi, Beeper. Beeper. Beeper.
You got Grandma and Papa right there. You said they wanted to see the instigator of them all.
Oh. I don't want to get Leela's bad side. You can barely see him in the window like that. Come on, Breeze. There you are, pretty boy. There it goes. It's changing. Miss Leela, let me get a shot. Hey!
She don't like Cameron. She's like how he used to be.
Pretty baby. Pretty baby. Pretty baby. There you go, hussy. Give me that. Pets. Pets are nice. Pets are nice. Yeah. Pets are nice. Pets are nice.
There she is. She's staring right at me.
Who?
Leila. Maggie.
Oh, I can't film behind me, Linda. Stop. Stop. What the hell is the stop?